how to set up Life360 or create Life360 account or log into Life360. So if you want to set up or create or log into your Life360 account, it's very simple. Download the Life360 app and open it up. Now you want to make sure that you have turned on location access. Now if you already have an account, you can just tap on the sign in option located at the bottom right corner of the screen and just make sure to enter your phone number or your email and tap the continue option. If you don't yet have an account, you can simply tap on the get started button here, and over here you can simply go ahead and then make sure to actually enter your phone number. Once you enter your phone number, tap on the continue option, and then you simply need to make sure to enter your first name as well as also your last name here. Then once done, tap on continue again. Then it will ask you to simply add an email address here, and once you add an email address as well, you can just tap on continue. Final step, it will ask you to simply create a password. So you just go ahead and create a password and tap on the continue option from the bottom in order to finish setting up your Life360 account. Or likewise, as we discussed, if you already have an account and then you just want to log in, you can just tap on the login option from the bottom of the screen. This way you'll be able to set up or create Life360 account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.